is Anastasia Spirina, and today I'm going to present you my project From Debates to Successful Communication. Have you ever heard about debates? I hope yes. Have you ever participated in debates? The majority of people haven't. Nowadays, a lot of people come to misunderstanding of debates because of some very important details are just being thrown out unknown. Why does it happen? Why debates, at first sight so easily accepted and known by everyone, lives in peculiarities obscure to beginning debaters? I suppose that the problem is in unrevealing the reasons why debates are important and why should all people try debating. In my project, I will reveal you the secrets of debate. Last year, I participated in a debate academy for the Russian youth in Moscow, and I have become absolutely convinced that it is of great importance to learn to debate while being at school. Therefore, I decided to organize debates in my own school and to create a language game debate box and examine debate special language. That's why I've chosen this topic. The actuality of this project is based on the fact that today people from all over the world should learn how to communicate properly, as it is one of the most important soft skills in today's world. There is a problem between the necessity of teaching students how to debate and the lack of opportunities to acquire the skill. As a result, I consider it very actual to implement debate in my own gymnasium and to introduce students to the basics of debate. The subject and the object of my project are shown on the slide. The goal of my project is to involve students in the process of debate. Here is the hypothesis of my work. If a person participates in debates, he will improve his debating skills, which is the path to successful communication in future. While working on this project, we have set up the following objectives, which you can see on the slide. I've used two methods while completing my project, theoretical and empirical. There are two shown on the slide. The result of my project is a language game debate box and a debate manual of special words and phrases debaters use. The novelty of the research lies in the fact that for Russia, the debate in schools is a relatively new trend, so there are not enough materials. And I've created a debate box game and a debate manual. I've conveyed a special debate competition, an invitation to debates, and I would like to provide teachers and students with useful and new material, which can be used for organizing debates. Debate is an intellectual game driven by the rules. It is an exchange of arguments. Okay, now there's a table comparing different types of debates. Daniel Carnegie wrote, "The ability to speak is the shortest path to fame." And definitely, history knows people who were brilliant speakers. Their speech was the primary reason for their success. In this slide, you can see some of them. Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, Plato. I think that the success of these people in debating is defined by the fact that they started practicing eloquence from a young age. In debate, an argument is a piece of reasoning for the truth of a certain claim. Thus, one person can give an argument for or against something. The basis for the formation of the argument is the idea. Ideas arise during brainstorming. The statement must be supported by evidence. There are different types of evidence shown on the slide. So, it is helpful to think very carefully about the following points. Debates are popular because they tackle complex issues with conflicting sides. You can see some types of debates on this slide. The first ones are the Karl Popper's format debates. Karl Popper is the founder of debates. He said debates are a way to communication between people. I like British parliamentary debates more because they are more lively. Secondly, they are more similar to a brainstorm, which makes your brain find solutions rapidly. In the Debate Academy for Russian Youth, we participated in this kind of debates. And also, in our competition, we tackled this type of debates. You see the placement of teams on the chart and on the photo of actual debates I took part in. Let's move on to the practice. I conducted a survey and found out what topics students are interested in for discussions. Here are topics that are interesting to students of our school. In the first place is EGE and special communication between people. My teacher of English and I decided to establish an English debate club for students from my school. The The debates are going to be held in the format of British parliamentary debates because they don't require special prep from the students. So, we've created a debate box and you can see its contents on the table. There are different cards, which topics are science, internet, youth and school, literature and history. We also created a notebook memory debate manual, which will help everyone in learning what debates actually are and preparing for their speeches. I also conveyed a survey while I was studying in the Debate Academy for the Russian youth. I asked people the same question before and the middle of the round. Before the start of the competition, only 20 people wanted to communicate. In the middle, though, already 80 people were ready to talk. People really improved their social skills and wanted to talk. My hypothesis is confirmed. It's great. Debate contributes to the development of tolerance and respect for different attitudes, bring up the skill of communication and the ability to work in a group. So, these are the topics of our debates in Debate Academy for the Russian youth. This summer, me and my teacher, Semenova Yulia Leonidovna, conveyed a conference for teachers from all over Russia, which we made a masterclass on how to prepare and how to participate in debates. It was great. Here are also some photos. We've also made a municipal competition, an invitation to debates, with 186 participants from 46 schools from Yekaterinburg. It was also really great, and people were really interested in debates in this competition. My speech was written in a newspaper in our school. And also, these are my masterclass training videos, which are on YouTube. Thank you for your attention. Debating is great. Continue debating.